In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rounded containers and sheets on a Tableau dashboard. This can really enhance the visual appeal of your data presentations, adding a touch of modern elegance. We'll work through this process step by step so that by the end of this guide, your Tableau dashboard will have a sleek, professional look. To get started, you'll want to launch your Tableau application. Ensure it's updated to the latest version so you have all the features you'll need for this process. Once the application is open, navigate to your worksheet. You should ensure you're in the right place because all the magic happens here. Next, click on the Analysis menu at the top of the screen and select Create Calculated Field. When prompted, give this field a simple name like Rounded Box. Inside, type 2 quotation marks, that's 2 empty quotes. This acts as a placeholder for your visual element. After you've entered this, click OK. Now what you need to do is drag this calculated field onto the text marks card. If you're using a text object, drag that instead. With your text in place, change the mark type from detail to text. This step ensures that your placeholder will display as a text block, which is essential for the formatting we'll do next. Now right-click on the box that you've just placed in the view and select Annotate, then choose Area. Click OK after this step, and right-click on the box again to select Format. In the formatting options, change the shading to 100% white, giving your box a clean and bright background. Adjust the corners to make them very rounded. This is where that modern soft edge look starts to come into play. Additionally, you'll want to remove any lines. Set the box to Entire View, which will ensure it fills the available space elegantly. Next, right-click on any section outside the box. This is not the box itself, and go back to Format. Click on the shading icon and change your worksheet's color to match your dashboard for a consistent look. Now it's time to see everything come together on your dashboard. Click on Dashboard and drag the rounded box, now a floating object, into your dashboard. Make sure it fits where you want it to appear seamlessly. Finally, right-click to hide the sheet's title. It's an optional cleanup step that can refresh the look of your dashboard. If needed, add a text box and go to the Layout options. Here, you can adjust the background color, resize it, and even hide any text behind the rounded box if it interferes with the dashboard's aesthetics. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've transformed your Tableau dashboard with rounded containers. This look is not only visually appealing, but also offers a modern touch to your data storytelling. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.